I'm back again. I've realised that I haven't actually introduced myself for a long time. So, hello everyone, I'm Holly. I create travel and fitness videos, and here is what to pack on a camping trip to the USA. I am actually going to the US in around a month's time, so I have collected all my camping supplies, and here are the essentials that you need to bring if you ever go camping in the US. First off, obviously you need a sleeping bag. Mine is really compact. I need to cut these labels because it drives me mad. And it goes to 40 Fahrenheit, which I believe is like 4 degrees. I actually got this from Walmart, but I just love it because it's so compact and it's fairly light. Obviously you need a sleeping bag. Oh, landed right in the middle of my coat. For a pillow, I usually buy one when I'm in the US because I actually like a full-on pillow, like a normal pillow. I don't want these inflated travel little small things. No, I'm just gonna buy a cheap one from Walmart that will last me for my camping trip. Next up, I have a head torch. This is a USB power head torch. I don't like the battery ones because I don't want to lug around batteries and then they don't work and then I have to buy more. Nah, not a fan. But then the issue with this is I don't know when the next power supply is gonna be. I've only actually used it for a day, but what I love about it, right, I'm gonna put it on. Oh yeah, it like, right, I'm gonna see if I can do this. It like, oh, put it on upside down. Well, that's not helpful. Okay, let's try again. I have it the right way up now. So you've got a power button and the settings at the top. You can move it down and up and you're just hands-free, which is what I absolutely love about it. You can find your stuff, you can do your washing, cooking. It's so good. And there's also a red light setting. I'll show you the settings in a clip right now so you can check that out. Okay, so I'm going to show you the different settings of the head torch. I'll shine it this way. So I press the on button and here is the main beam light. I press it again and we got a dimmer version, and then I press it a third time and it's flashing, and the fourth time turns it off. So if I turn it on again, if I hold it down for 3 seconds, it goes to red and it does the sides instead of the main one. So yes, they're the different settings of the head torch. Fully recommend this one. Next up I have a travel adapter. Now this travel adapter, I can't say the name, Joyo Mix, if it would like to focus. So you've got all the ports at the front here, and then you change it to whichever country you're going to. So that's the Europe one, and then there's a button on this side and you just push it in to put it back in again. And then obviously I'm going to the US, I believe it's that one. The US plug, and then there's a button, and then I'll push the button on the side. And there's also at the bottom 3 USB ports, and I don't actually know which this one is for, but this is just amazing. Isn't it so good? And it also comes in a wee little travel case, pops in, it's super light, works everywhere. Love it. Oh, it's actually charging. Oh my goodness, that's so bizarre. So everyone nowadays uses their tech like so much. Like your phone always dies because we use it so much and everything is charging. So what better way to charge everything than with a solar powered power bank? I've got hair in my mouth. I've still got my head torch on. Oh my god. So this charges through sunlight, and you can also, like, what is it charging from? It's literally charging right now. I think it thinks that my ring light is like natural sunlight because it's like, you can see it like charging here, but then when I turn it to the side, it goes off, and then it's charging again. How mad! And you can also charge it via the electric, and it has 3 USB ports as well at the bottom. I charge my phone and it charges it 4 times, I believe, 4 to 5 times. It is actually fairly light. I mean, it is slightly larger power bank, so I guess that adds to the weight, but it's not like heavy in any way. But yeah, love it. What brand is this? Rellon. Pass. Right, I'm gonna take this head torch off now. Ah, my headband. Going on the solar powered tech, I guess. I've got a sports watch. This is a Casio. I don't actually know. That is definitely not the time. Well, no, it is. Is it dead on 11? All right. So it has everything on there. Alarm, world time, and it is solar powered, so it's never going to run out of battery. The only issue that I have with it is in darkness, I can't see the time. That's literally the only issue. It's a little bit chunky, as if I just videoed that at bang on 11 o'clock. I feel a bit flustered now. Oh, I have 4 supplies. I guess this is still camping for showering. A microfiber towel. This is, I'm gonna open it up. It's really, really long. It's really thin and it dries super fast, but what I love about it is that it's super compact, light. It's just I don't know how I've not lived with this for so long. I got this from Decathlon, but yeah, I mean, I've just folded it up in like squares and it's come to like this, and then you can probably roll it up because it's got a wee tag here that you can probably just, you know, I don't really know, probably just bring it around here. Look at that! How small is that? Right, we're going on to outerwear now. And next I have a down feather jacket. This will keep you warm in minus 30 degrees Celsius. And it really is that warm. It's going on outside today. Goodness me. I can literally wear a t-shirt and this will keep me warm outside. It also comes with a hood and it even fits in this bag. Now I haven't tried it, but this is the bag it came with, so I'm sure it fits in. Let's hope. Anyway. So although the jacket is super lightweight and does come with a hood and keeps you super warm, it is only water resistant, so it doesn't keep you completely dry. I learned that mistake a long time ago. So I therefore am going to take my raincoat. Oh, it's a little bit dusty. This is a Regatta raincoat. It does the job, really works. I got it a size bigger because I like to wear warm clothing inside, but I guess in a summer's day it's quite thin and does the job. It's even got a side pocket, like inside pocket, and you know, your standard raincoat pockets, and it's a neutral colour. I think I got this from TK Maxx, so I was very impressed, and that's gonna go into my camping bag as well. That was all the essential supplies that I'm definitely going to take with me camping. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. If you have any other supplies that you're going to take or you've used before that I haven't mentioned, please let me know. And if you're ever going on a camping trip anywhere, I love hearing travel stories. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I've sort of tried to up my game. You know, everyone ups their game on Instagram now. I put my handle here for you guys, and also if you want to keep in track to where I am in the US, I shall try and pop that on there. Try and pop it on there. I have no idea whether 3G Wi-Fi power, you know, we're just gonna wing it. I say we, I'm just gonna wing it and see how it goes. So thank you guys for watching, and I shall catch you next time. Bye guys.